Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS. So today we are going to learn how to create Amazon S3 bucket in AWS. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we have this way. So we have the services, then you have to type S3. Okay, here we are uploading the images, files, documents, anything related to the assets. You can upload it over here and get it from here, right? So this is a storage, like a cloud, where you can upload your images, files, documents. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to upload your images with the help of the Node.js and with the help of the React, Angular. Both of the things I'm going to explain you, but step by step. Okay, so first of all, we are going to create a bucket in S3. So there is S3. Click on the S3 here. Okay, it will open that panel. If because I have already created the bucket, so you are going to have an option like create bucket. Okay, so when I click on the create bucket, so this kind of UI appears. So here you need to add your bucket name. So I'm going to add my bucket name here. We got taking out Raj Linux. Okay, so I have add Raj Linux. Here you have to select your region, and here you want to ACLs to be disabled or enabled. I want to make it enabled. Okay, bucket owner preferred, and here you need to just deselect and select these two options. Okay, I acknowledged, and then you need to go for the create bucket. Now you can see that my bucket is already created. Now you can see that now I can upload the images over here. So let's have a look how we are going to upload it. So here we have drag, add files. So I'm going to add this xamarin.png. Now you can see that it is uploaded. Okay, so I'm going to here you can see that there is a upload button. Click on the upload button. Now you can see that one file is successfully uploaded. Okay, so what next? We have to check, we have to view this file, right? So let's go to this file, xamarin.png. Here is the URL. If I click on that, it will see that access denied, right? If I go back, I need to make it public so that everyone can access that URL. So there you have to go for the permissions. Here you can see that edit. Here we have the everyone have the public access. Click on that, agree, save storage. Now I can open that URL. Now you can see that. So this is how you are able to create the bucket, upload the image and make it public. So this is the process of creating the bucket. Any doubt, any issue, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.